We got some light in here. So following up on the unboxing video of this watch, the Full Metal G-Shock Square, I promised you that I would do some Bluetooth setup of this watch because that is one of the functionalities. So let's do that right now. You need this G-Shock connected app. I will show you here on the screen. This app you would have to download on your device, Android or iOS. I think it's for both. And then you are welcomed with a lot of things you have to agree to. And when you are past that stage, you get this picture, and then you have to select which model you would like to connect to. So let's find our watch, GMW B5000. That is the one. We get some focus. Hold. Is it done? Hey. Register the watch to the app. Now it works. Little rough start for the app or the watch or whoever fault that was, but now we're in. Time zone data was uploaded. Did we get an update here? 11:04, 56. That's exactly right. And now you can see that it says connected with Bluetooth. You have the Bluetooth icon there. It's Tuesday, it's connected, and this is the time, which is absolutely correct. Let's jump back into the app, because I think you will find something useful here. Now let's check on how to set the alarm on this watch, because I think that is a really useful feature, at least for me, and I've used it on my previous Casio watch. And it's kind of tricky to set on the watch itself, and I think this app will help me a lot. So let's bring out the app again. And we are on the utility tab here and alarm. So I think, trying to connect again. Hold. Then are we in now? So let's see the app here. Connection completed. Now let's try again. Alarm. Now we can get in here. So let's set it to 11:10 and let's see what happens. This is really easy, and yeah, I think it's a lot better than having to manually set it in your watch. You can just go to the app and set it yourself. But can we, let's see now what happens. Yeah, now it goes off. Works perfectly fine. And which button? Is it every button or this one? This is on my other Casio. Is this now a daily alarm? So you cannot set these alarms to only apply to, for example, the Saturday, Sunday. If you want to sleep a little bit more in the weekends, you can't do that, but I think you can turn it off pretty easily here. And in fact, the alarm on these watches is good. And in combination with your phone, it's really good, because then you have a guaranteed wake up. And on my other Casio, it's really hard to push the buttons, and then you have to wake up. Anyways, let's look at the other features of this watch. So we have the LED here, which fades in and out. It's really cool and really bright. And let's see what else we got. This is the mode button, so it changes. So this is the world time. And then we are in Edinburgh. Next one is the alarm. It's set to 11:10 as we set it previously, and it's alarm number 1 and AL for alarm here. Now next one is a stopwatch. I think we started here. No, we don't. We started with this button. I think chronographs usually have the top button here starts and this one resets. So, and we can probably stop it with the same button. Correct. Next function. This is the track time, so we set it to 10 minutes and then it counts down. Yes. Yeah, pretty useful feature if you're cooking or cooking potatoes, for example, 10 minutes. That's perfect in my opinion, and then you can throw it in the oven. I'm just kidding. And back. Okay. Simple, easy, really good looking watch. What more can you ask for? Price $600, $700. Maybe you get it pre-owned for $400 if you're lucky. Yeah, it's a perfect watch in my opinion, and it's a classic design. So I don't think there's anything else to cover in this. I will add it if I forgot it, but I don't think I forgot anything, hopefully. Thank you for watching again, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. What watch will we have in the next video? Let's see. Bye.